Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun right here. On today's video, I want to show you how I earn 500,000 naira monthly from spot trading. Look, this is not normal sports betting or sport gambling or whatever that people call it outside. But how you can trade sports and make profit every month from it. Very sure way to trade and make profit every blessed month. Okay, so there is difference between gambling and trading. Okay, so those who gamble do not, they are just putting money in, and maybe 50-50, maybe 50-50, they have 50-50 minds that you can win, you might not win. But on this platform, at the end of the month, after our trading, we do like 500,000 or more. All right, so now let me quickly show you these results. So in January, you can see with 100,000 naira. Actually, you can start with lower if you do not really have much, up to 100,000 naira. You can start with lower amount, but starting with 100,000 naira in January, okay, then it's ended in 576,671 naira. Okay, I cannot show you the bookie platform because it's a secret stuff. Okay, legal but secret stuff, because if the bookies know all this, it might, I don't know, but I just have to be doing this on a low key. But because I'm showing this to you guys so that you guys will enjoy the benefit of trading sports. Okay, you enjoy the benefit of trading sports. When you have your money in your bank account, you are even going to keep the money inside your bank account, your personal bank account, not like what happened that somebody will say you go and deposit one money somewhere. You put the money that you want. For example, this 100,000 naira is in my bank account. For example, it's in my bank account. So, but there is a way we use it, okay, to trade, and it keep increasing. So then you won't have any issues of like my money, they do not, I want to withdraw, they not pay me, since you have your money in your own bank account, so you don't have any problem with anybody at all. So that's the joy in this. So now guys, so this is the January, right? January, then I made a result of that February as well. Of January, I mean, so in the month on, so in the month of February, so we actually did this, okay, from 100,000 to 488,326 naira. So that is what we did. But maybe in my subsequent video, I'll be doing from March so that I show you guys. But I actually did the month of August, and I will still showing you some things right here today. Month of August, okay, month of August, which is last month, and see with 100,000 we turn it to 313,485. So we're actually doing more than 100%, 150%, even 200% every month right here. Okay, so guys, now let me quickly show you something from the platform that you are using. I know that some of you know about this, but either you know about this or you do not know about this. Make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you know what you want to pass out, what I want you to benefit from this platform. Okay, so this is the platform that give us the signal. I can call it signal, I can call it game. This is where they dish it out to us. So they give us this. So now, so this is the result from January this year, January. You can see how the results. This is where you'll be looking at where the W. You can see where they put win. You can see this is a live stuff. There is no gimmicks there, but I cannot refill the source. I cannot refill the source. Yes, everything is must be in secret. Okay, you can see where LW. You can see how they win. Okay. So this, we already enter February, March. This is March. This is April. We already enter April. So you can see how accurate this platform is. Okay. You can see how accurate it is. So this is May. We already enter May. Then we enter June. Then we enter July. You can see how accurate it is. Very high accurate. Under August. This is August that I have done this August. Done February, March, January, February, March. Then this is the month of September that we have right now. See the month of September that we have right now. You can see the 1st of September, it was 1, the second 1, third 1, and they are giving out like 2 point something odds, okay, every blessed day. So on the 4th of September, loss. So from 5th, 6th, 7th, you can see we won it. From on the 8th, we lose. On the 9th, 1. On the 10th, 1. On the 11th, we lose. On the 11th, we won. On the 12th, we won. 13, 1. 14, 1. 15, 1. Okay, and then on the 16th, we lose that game. Then on the 17th, we won. On the 18th, we won. 19, we won. Then 20, we lose the game. Then on the 21, 1. 22, we lose the game. 22, yeah, we lose the game on the 22. Then 23, we won it. 24, we lose the game. 25, 1. 26, we won't lose the game. Let's check the year 2012 records. So it's loading now. Oops. Has been fixed now. So as you can see, that results all the way from January 1st, 2012. So you can see that they're crazy. So we make use of this information to trade. We got this information, though this guy is very they are hot. Okay, so we make use of this information to trade. There is April, May, June, July, August. Can you just monitor out the winning rate? The winning rate is very crazy. Okay, so winning rate is very crazy. So December is December. Can see December 2012. So can see the average odds like that. Okay, so guys, can see that. So we make use of this information to, we make use of it to trade. We make use of it to trade instead of using the information to gamble. Okay, so we got this information to trade. So we got this information to trade, right? So that's how it is. Then how this platform is that it's not free. Yes, it's not free. It's not free at all. Okay, see, 1 day is 29 euro, 15 days is 425 euros, and 30 days is 850 euro. That is what this platform are collecting. Okay, so that is what they are charging. So now let me quickly do maths right here. Let me quickly do math right here. Let's say I go to Google, please, to check how much that this platform is charging. So if you say 850 for euro to dollar, not to naira, you cannot get great normal accuracy. So that is 815 points. Let's say 816. Okay, so if you multiply 816 by 720, because we are now using black rate, black market rate, nothing like bank rate again. Okay, so that is 587,520 naira every month. Okay, so that is what this platform collects. So that is what this platform collects before you get this information. to trade it. Okay, so that is what they collect, though their own is just to dish out this information, right? Their own is just to dish out this information. So it now depends on you, which I have done. Okay, I have done to, you know, to see how to make use of it from right from January, right? So I have a particular bookie that we are using, and you have your money in your bank account, personal bank accounts, while you use this information to trade on their platform to make profits every month. We have a way of doing that. Okay, but this is what you're going to do instead of you looking for 587,000. Oh, I want to do, but I don't have this money. This money is too much. Yes, that's why I'm making this video, because it's not even easy at all to be paying around 600,000 naira for this information. I won't lie to you. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to do, guys. If you want to join us, want to join this team, I'm your team captain in the team, so I'm going to be like captain. So what you're going to do is just to, you know, collaborate together, right? So I think I need about 20 people, right? 20 or 25 people. So, and each person is going to pay 25,000 naira, right? Each person is going to pay 25,000 naira instead of 587,000 to get this information on how to use it to trade on your platform. Okay, so now you do that, then you'll be getting the game, the information, and how to use it. Okay, how to trade with it. You get the information on your WhatsApp. Okay, so that is how it's going to be. That is what we're going to do. And trust me, guys, this platform that is dishing out this information, they are very too good. Yes, they are too good. So I want us to do this. Let's do it together. Trust me, let's do it together. At the end of each month, you're going to laugh. You are going to be smiling to the bank. So the month of September is ending in the next 2-3 days now, and I want you to, you know, join this. Let's do this together. As from October 1st, let's do it together. Okay, you are ready to do. What you need to do right now is just to go to the description below. When you get to the description below, you're going to see my Telegram group there. So join my Telegram group, and if you are also in my Telegram group before, all you need to do is just to message me. That is when, if you are ready, please don't come to my inbox and be telling me that I should collect 5,000, that I should collect 10,000. No, you can't work that way, right? You can't work that way. So because I'm looking for more people that can be doing this together to maximize this information to make each profit every month. This guys never disappoints since 2012, and even up to now. So this is what I have for you guys. So let's do this and make something great before the end of the year.